Mr. Kapoor, I don't mean to nitpick, but I want to talk a little bit more about something in this budget that didn't quite live up to expectations. The other part, I think, was the recap plan for PSU banks. I mean, you're a veteran yourself. Do you believe that 25,000 crore rupees is going to be enough? Because we did hear the finance minister very quickly say that it's not like he's not going to provide additional resources should the need be. But I know for sure that the market was expecting a lot more.
Veteran sounds very old, but
But I didn't mean it. Wow, it's like nitpick on me today. Huh?
But to come to the headline, the key issue is that 25,000 crores is approximately $4 billion. And please remember that banks should not be given capital to take relief from their past mistakes. Because in my judgment, what the finance minister has done and his team has tried to state in a very, very subtle way is that we also want performance linkages. When you put capital into a company, into a bank, you want the performance parameters to be well defined.
I understand that, Mr. Kapoor, but the need of the hour is not 25,000 crore. We know the hole is a much bigger hole, and if that hole is not plugged, there will be a leakage.
No, the fact of the matter is that if the hole is plugged like all the way, then they'll get back to bad habits.
Okay.
So how do you inculcate the right risk culture, the right governance culture? How do you put them on a permanent path of repair and to be able to cater to India's growing credit needs and our growth requirements? So I think measured doses are better than big doses. Number two, they should be driven by performance linkages, that any bank who's giving a performance plan and is adhering to a plan is very important. And then there's a lot of value sitting in these banks, Nikunj, you know better than most people. There's a lot of value sitting in these banks, whether it's in their real estate, whether it's in their, subsidiaries, that needs to be unlocked. And I think that message was also made in today's budget.